Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to share with you how you can grow a YouTube channel with 0 subscribers and 0 views, completely from scratch, how you get your channel monetized and how you can do that within 1 year. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to get the basics right for your YouTube channel. That means you are uploading like a YouTube channel logo, YouTube artwork, you're adding a proper description, you're adding links to your YouTube channel, you're adding a couple of tags that you want to be found for. Then after you have done all of the optimization of your YouTube profile, you want to make sure that you have a strategy in place. It's really important that you are consistent when you're publishing content. I recommend in the beginning to publish at least 3 videos every week. The second thing that you want to do when you're creating a YouTube channel is you want to create a content calendar. You have to treat this as a business where you schedule everything. You schedule a time in your calendar when you plan out your topics, when you do your research to find out the topics that you want to do for your audience. Then you set aside a date when you want to do the filming. Then a set of a time when you do the editing. Then you plan out all the different promotional content pieces that you're using on social media to your email list to promote your videos. This will help you to develop this habit of creating content consistently. The third thing that you want to do is you want to optimize your videos for YouTube SEO. If you have a channel that has 0 subscribers and there's no track record of any views, you will not get anyone to watch your videos. So what you have to do is you have to optimize your videos in a way that there is no competition, that your videos are the only one available on a specific topic, so YouTube has no choice other than to recommend your videos. And how you do this is you're using a tool called TubeBuddy, and you're doing a keyword research with this tool, and you're finding long sentence, long tail keywords that nobody else has made videos about, but there is a huge amount of search volume for. Now how does it work? Now TubeBuddy is connecting to the YouTube database, and YouTube is sharing the information, what are people searching for and how many times are those terms and keywords searched for. It will also allow extensions such as TubeBuddy to identify how many videos would show up for any given topic. Now if you find a keyword that has a lot of people searching for it but very few people having actually content for it, that makes it very likely that your video will show up. So this will help you to generate traffic. You will see this in your analytics as traffic coming from YouTube search, and it's the best way and practically the only way how you can generate organic traffic from nothing on your YouTube channel. Now the fourth thing that you have to, when you're creating a channel completely from scratch, is you have to promote your videos on external platforms. You can't just rely on organic traffic from YouTube if you want to get results fast. What you have to do is you have to promote your videos outside of YouTube. If you can prove to YouTube that your videos are worth watching, YouTube will recommend it to more similar viewers. And the way this works is that you share your videos one-to-one or one-to-many with specific people who are most likely to want to watch this and who are interested in learning more about your topic. For example, you might go to your Instagram account and tell people in your stories or in this Instagram post that you uploaded a new video on YouTube. You can tell them that you put the link in the bio link below, and when people come to the video, they click the bio link, they click through to your video. This will count as external traffic from Instagram to YouTube. And if those people stay and watch the video a certain percentage, like ideally more than 50%, this will give YouTube data points to allow them to identify like who was this interesting for, was this worth watching, did people stay engaged. And because most people are logged into their YouTube account anyway 24/7, when someone is clicking on the video, YouTube can connect the view of your video to all the other views that this person has done before. That's kind of like when Amazon is like giving you like people of this product also bought this and this and this product. It's because they have enough data points to make those suggestions, to see the patterns, like people interested in buying like baby diapers, they might also be interested in buying milk powder. And if someone is like really interested in your topic, they are most likely watching a lot of other topics too. Vice versa, once YouTube knows that and it sees the pattern that you're driving manually, let's say you're just driving in 10 people to your video, but they're watching a very long percentage of your video, but YouTube sees all those people, the commonalities that they're interested in topic B, and then they can look up, wow, like we have like millions of people interested in topic B. How about about we suggest your video to some people who are interested in the generic topic B, and then you get more organic traffic. It might be recommended in sidebar, it might show up at the end screen. Initially this will be very small amount of traffic, but once more of those people who click on your video engage with it similarly and they watch more longer percentage, YouTube will recommend it to more people, and that's how you get a lot of traffic organically. And the fifth thing that you want to do is you want to have the right mindset. That's really important, and that probably determines 90% of your success. And what this entails is that you have to be patient. Like, it will not happen overnight. You're not going to get 1 million subscribers like this. So you might read some stories, someone else did it. It's not going to happen for you. What is the probability of you winning the lottery? It's zero. But what's the probability that someone in the world is going to win the lottery? That's like 100%. So you plan that you are not this one rare exception. You plan that you are one of the average creators, and that means you have to be patient. It will not happen overnight, and it will only work if you are persistent. That means you have to show up every single day and take this seriously. Treat this as a business, and you will see that you get more success. You also have to learn to deal with rejections, and that something is not working the way you do. You might have recorded a specific video. You might think, wow, I put in so much effort. I researched it. It should be perfect for my audience. I put in so much content. I filmed it so well. I edited perfectly. I put in like all those different effects on it. Nothing is wrong. I promoted it everywhere. I used all the SEO optimization in the world, and it might just flop. And that's fine. You have to understand, as you get better, some videos will resonate more and some videos will resonate less with your audience. The problem is, if you don't get the initial engagement right, some video might just flop, and then YouTube will not recommend it to you. But don't make the mistake of deleting the video just yet. It might just be discovered at a later point. What you want to do is you don't get frustrated if it's not working out. You just keep on following your strategy, creating better content. And you also want to learn. See yourself as someone like figuring this out as you go along. And for example, if you want to learn more about how to do this, you can follow my blog, timqueen.com, where I share a ton of articles about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized quickly, how to make money in different ways. Even if you are not yet in the Google AdSense program, you can also follow my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and so you get more videos about YouTube strategies that really work. Let me know in the comments, what is your YouTube channel all about and where are you at your journey right now? And I see you in the next one. Bye.